when she looks at me, I know the girl she thinks nobody else can see. All the secret words inside and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't just mind, she just takes me as I am. Come with me, she believes, and the thrill is something I've never known before. Come with me, she loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows those are the times there's nothing she can see, nothing that anyone can do, and so she'll listen love it true. And when I'm in my darkness or uncertainty, she just simply let me be and goes right on loving me. Come with me, she believes, and the twin